Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to download Blender for free. Blender is a free 3D software. We can go to official websites to download Blender for free. Now we can go to web browser and go to blender.org and press enter to enter the official website of Blender. So we can find the download button here to download Blender, or we can go to top menu. We can find the link to download page. I click it, and then we can go to the blue button. We can click to download the installer for your OS. I'm using Windows, so I download the Windows installer. Use another OS. We can click here. We can find MacOS, or we can find Linux. Now I go to Windows installer, click it, and then wait a moment. Now downloading is started. If you don't start, you can click here, download manually to start the downloading. So this is how we can download Blender for free. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video.